Guys, I don't know if you can hear it right now, but it's raining quite a bit outside and the weather's just mind-blowing to say the least. I absolutely love weather conditions like this, just not on my day offs, but it's raining, cats and dogs. I would love to make it look cinematic. Unfortunately, there's no possible way for me to actually step outside and record anything more than what I've recorded right now. And this looks pretty good from my studio window and from the front door. But these are my recommended camera settings for this kind of weather. If you like this video, hit the like button, follow me on my social media and subscribe to my channel.